Hey Diana, I got it. The Russian alphabet is just like the English one. H, V, M, K. Yes and no. Let's go one by one. Just like in English, this is letter M. The sound is M. Just like in words mama or malina. We call this letter K, not K, but the sound is the same, K. We use it in words like книга or ключ. This looks familiar to you, but we use this letter to represent sound N. So this is Russian N, not H. We use it in words like ножницы or нож. And this is not V. This is L for words like ложка or limon. Well, that will probably take some time to remember. In which order are they in the alphabet? Well, the order is actually just like in English. K, L, M, N. And is it hard to write them?
Letter K is actually very easy to write, but please notice that all the lines are of the same height. If any lines are longer than others, like in English for example, this stops being a Russian letter because the Russian K is never written like that. Here you can see how to write K in cursive, both upper and lower case, and also how to connect K to other letters in words. And this is probably the most common mistake made by students of the Russian language. They look at letter L in books, on their screens, and they copy what they see. However, you can see here that native speakers are taught to write L very differently. Whether we print it or write it by hand, we never make it look like L on the computer. Letter M can be written in two different ways. You can go all the way to the bottom line in the middle, or you can stop halfway. That's what most native speakers do. This is how you write M in cursive. Uppercase and lowercase m look exactly alike, except the lowercase is half the size. And this must be the second most common mistake made by students of the Russian language. Please notice that M, L, and Ya have a little connecting hook on the left. Sometimes students go from A straight into M, bypassing that hook, and this makes it very hard to read even for native speakers. The last letter for today, N, is very easy to print because it does look like the English H, and this is how you write it in cursive, and this is how you connect N to other letters.
Okay, learned 4 letters today. What are we gonna do tomorrow? Tomorrow we're studying the next 3 letters. See you then!